Hi there, and thanks for joining us here at PhillipCapital Market Watch. I'm Rong, investment specialist from Phillip Investor Center. Over the past months, the COVID-19 pandemic has upturned global economies. Lockdown implemented in various cities have disrupted daily routines of people around the world. Life may never be the same in the wake of the changes triggered by the pandemic. Thus, today I'll be talking about the pockets of opportunities which investors may look out for. With the pandemic, many retailers have realized the importance to shift towards online stores in order to continue business operations. Many consumers have also turned to online shopping for their groceries and other needs. In April, US e-commerce have surged 49%, driven by increase in sales ranging from online groceries to electronics. This trend is expected to last as more retailers continue to shift their business online, and consumers are becoming more reliant on online retail channels for their needs. You may look at some examples of companies in the e-commerce space as shown. As more cities start to reopen, government and regulatory bodies have started discouraging the use of physical cash. Contactless payment and mobile wallets are encouraged as it reduces human-to-human contact. Therefore, the COVID-19 outbreak may accelerate adoption of digital payment. Mastercard, for example, saw a 40% jump in contactless payment during the first quarter in 2020. However, despite higher adoption rate, investors should take note that total transaction volume have plunged near term due to recessionary fears. It will take some time for consumer demand to return, but in the long term, we should see continued growth in adoption rate of digital payment. Some examples of companies in the digital payment field are as shown. The COVID-19 outbreak may also transform the working world as companies adopt remote working. Twitter, for example, has recently announced to allow some employees to work from home permanently. Video conferencing will play a key role in connecting remote workers while minimizing human-to-human contact at the same time. We have seen a surge in video calls in recent months. According to Zoom CEO, the number of people taking part in Zoom meetings daily has eclipsed 200 million in March, up from just 10 million at the end of last year. Video conferencing and many other teleworking tools such as TeamViewer, Skype, and Slack rely on cloud computing for their continuous and dependable operation. With a surge in usage for these tools, it brings about accelerating growth in the demand for cloud services. You can look at some examples of companies in the video conferencing and cloud space as shown. Many sporting events and content production have also been suspended. Traditional TV advertising has faced a decline in advertising revenue during this period. Advertising revenue for Disney's ESPN was down 8% in the quarter, and Viacom CBS advertising revenues fell 19% year-on-year. Consumers may have also turned to social media to connect with their friends during the lockdown. Facebook saw a surge in user growth in March, with an average of more than 1.73 billion daily active users, up from 1.66 billion in the previous quarter. Cost may be another key factor, accelerating the trend towards digital advertising. The average cost per month for broadcast TV is around $28, compared to social media advertising of only $250. As advertisers face a cut in marketing budget during this period, we may see a larger share of advertisers shifting towards digital advertising, which is cheaper and more targeted. The three largest digital advertising platforms in the US are as follows. These three companies command more than 60% of US digital advertising revenue in 2019. Overall, the COVID-19 has brought about a cultural shift in mindset in terms of consumer behavior and the way business operate. Moving forward, these trends are expected to last, potentially benefiting those companies in these areas. That's all for PhillipCapital's Market Watch. Do remember to like and follow us on social media and subscribe to us on YouTube. Also, tell us what you think. What other trends do you foresee post-COVID-19? Leave your comments. Thanks for joining us and see you soon.